Saying yes is more than a word. It's an energetic agreement that sets things in motion. It creates an open channel between you and the opportunities waiting to reach you. The power of yes lies in its simplicity. By choosing it, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive, explore, and expand. The energy behind this word has the potential to shift your reality as it moves you from hesitation to action, from fear to courage. When you say yes, you are telling the universe that you trust its process and are willing to align yourself with the flow of life. This alignment is not about forcing outcomes, but about allowing possibilities to unfold naturally. Saying yes does not mean ignoring challenges, but rather being open to the solutions and pathways they can bring. It is a conscious choice to participate fully in life's offerings. Every time you choose yes, you take a step closer to the life you desire, opening the door to new and exciting possibilities. This word is not about blind optimism, but about conscious acknowledgement of opportunities. It paves the way for growth and transformation by allowing energy to move freely without resistance. This mindset enables you to step into a space of clarity and purpose. Saying yes to life is saying yes to infinite possibilities that were always waiting for your permission to arrive. The universe operates on the principle of energy, and your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are part of this vast energetic system. Saying yes creates harmony with this universal flow. It aligns your energy with the forces that support abundance, joy, and fulfillment. This connection isn't something you need to force. It is already present. Your task is to recognize it and respond in ways that strengthen it. The universe is always responding to your thoughts and actions, reflecting them back in the form of experiences. When you say yes, you align yourself with the positive flow of energy that is always available. This alignment creates a clear channel for your desires to manifest. It's about allowing the universe to work through you rather than feeling the need to control or dictate every outcome. The act of saying yes helps remove mental and emotional blocks that often stand in the way of this connection. Understanding this connection also requires acknowledging that resistance, doubt, and fear are disruptions to the flow. These feelings block the natural movement of energy. By saying yes, you shift your focus from limitations to possibilities, allowing the universal energy to flow freely through your life. This isn't about pretending that challenges don't exist. It's about maintaining a state of openness and trust in the process. When you align with the universe, you become more aware of the signs, synchronicities, and opportunities that guide you toward your desires. The word yes carries a unique energy that shifts the way the universe responds to you. It holds a frequency that resonates with positivity, acceptance, and possibility. When you use yes as an affirmation, it becomes a tool for realigning your thoughts and emotions with the outcomes you seek. This simple act of affirming establishes clarity in your intentions and creates a foundation for your desires to materialize. Affirmations beginning with "ya" work because they reinforce your belief in what is possible. Every time you affirm, you communicate a strong and clear message to the universe. This message is not just about asking, but also about believing and accepting that what you desire is achievable. The energy you project when saying yes builds momentum, removing doubts and creating a space for trust and confidence to grow. This energetic shift allows you to move forward with assurance, knowing that you are aligned with what you truly want. Saying yes repeatedly strengthens this positive energy. It draws your focus away from fear or hesitation and places it firmly on possibilities. When used consistently, it acts as a guiding force, helping you remain steady and intentional. This alignment between your words, thoughts, and energy strengthens your connection with the universe, allowing it to respond more effectively to your desires. Resistance often stems from negative thoughts, fears, or limiting beliefs that prevent you from fully connecting with the universe. These barriers create a misalignment between your intentions and the energy you project. To connect with your desires, it is essential to recognize and release resistance. When you remove resistance, you clear the path for the universe to respond to you with clarity and precision. The first step in removing resistance is identifying its source. Negative self-talk, doubt, or focusing on past failures can create blocks that hinder progress. Recognizing these patterns allows you to consciously redirect your energy toward a state of openness. By saying yes to opportunities and possibilities, you start dissolving the resistance that has been holding you back. Letting go of resistance also requires trust. Trusting the process means accepting that you don't need to control every step. It is about allowing energy to flow naturally without interference. This shift in mindset helps to replace worry or doubt with a sense of calm and assurance. As resistance fades, the connection between your intentions and the universe becomes stronger, enabling you to attract what you desire with greater ease. Trusting the universe is about having faith in the process without the need for constant control or worry. It means understanding that your role is to align your energy, set clear intentions, and allow the universe to respond. Trust removes the stress of needing to know every detail of how things will unfold. Instead, it creates space for opportunities and outcomes to arrive naturally. Trust begins with shifting focus away from doubts and fears. These emotions disrupt your connection to the universe and keep you stuck in cycles of overthinking. By consciously choosing trust, you step into a mindset where you can relax and let go of unnecessary tension. This shift strengthens your connection to the universal flow, making it easier to remain open to possibilities. The act of trusting the universe also involves patience. Results may not always appear immediately, but this does not mean the universe isn't working in your favor. Trust allows you to continue saying yes to your desires, even when progress seems slow. This steady belief reinforces your intentions, keeping you aligned and moving forward in harmony with what you seek. Visualization is a key tool in connecting with your desires and aligning with the universe. When you clearly imagine your goals, you send a strong signal of intention, making it easier for the universe to respond. The act of visualizing creates a mental and energetic blueprint of what you want, making the process of manifestation more precise and focused. To visualize effectively, begin by creating a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. Picture it in as much detail as possible, including how it feels, looks, and even sounds. This clarity helps you connect emotionally with your desire, amplifying the energy behind your intentions. Saying yes to this vision reinforces your belief that it is achievable and already within reach. Consistency in visualization is important. Regularly focusing on your vision keeps your energy aligned with your goals and helps eliminate distractions or doubts. It also strengthens your ability to remain connected to the universal flow, ensuring your actions and thoughts stay in harmony with your desired outcomes. Gratitude is a powerful way to amplify your connection with the universe and strengthen the energy of your desires. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge the positive aspects of your life and signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is already present, which creates a magnetic force for attracting your desires. Practicing gratitude daily helps maintain a consistent flow of positive energy. By being thankful for both what you have and what you desire, you create a sense of certainty and alignment. This practice eliminates feelings of doubt or worry, allowing you to focus on the abundance that surrounds you. Saying yes to gratitude deepens your trust in the process and enhances your ability to stay connected to the universal flow. Gratitude also brings clarity to your intention. When you take the time to appreciate the progress you have made, you reinforce the belief that your desires are within reach. This focused energy encourages the universe to continue responding to your intentions in ways that align with your goals. Incorporating yes into your daily life requires small, intentional steps that create a lasting impact. Start by using positive affirmations with the word yes to reinforce your alignment with the universe. Repeat these affirmations regularly, particularly in the morning, to set the tone for your day. This habit helps you maintain a positive mindset and strengthens your connection to the energy of your desires. Another way to say yes is by being open to new opportunities, even those that seem unexpected or unfamiliar. Each opportunity carries the potential to bring you closer to your goals. By responding with yes, you allow the universe to guide you in ways that align with your intentions. Practice mindfulness in your thoughts and actions. Saying yes also means releasing negative self-talk and replacing it with supportive, uplifting language. Pay attention to how you respond to challenges or setbacks, and consciously choose to maintain a positive outlook. These consistent actions demonstrate your willingness to align with the universe, reinforcing your connection to its flow. Challenges are a natural part of life, and they often appear as tests to strengthen your commitment to your desires. These moments require you to stay focused and continue saying yes to the process even when the path seems uncertain. Obstacles are not signs of failure, but opportunities to learn and grow in alignment with the universe's flow. To overcome challenges, it is essential to shift your perspective and view them as temporary. When faced with difficulties, remind yourself of your intentions and the progress you have made. This approach allows you to maintain a sense of balance and clarity. Saying yes to challenges means being open to the lessons they bring and using them to refine your connection with your desires. Persistence is also key when navigating challenges. The energy you invest in staying aligned with the universe strengthens your ability to move through obstacles with resilience. Trust that each step forward, no matter how small, keeps you in alignment with your goals. By staying committed to saying yes, you ensure that challenges do not derail your progress, but instead serve to guide you closer to your desired outcomes. Living a life filled with yas means making intentional choices that align with your desires and the universal flow. It begins with cultivating a mindset of openness and positivity. By consistently saying yes, you create an energetic pattern that attracts more opportunities and experiences in harmony with your goals. This approach extends to every area of life. Whether it's decisions about your actions, thoughts, or responses to situations, choosing yes keeps you aligned with the energy of possibility. Each choice reinforces your connection with the universe and strengthens your belief in the process. Living a yay-key life also involves continuous self-awareness. Regularly reflect on your thoughts and intentions to ensure they align with the outcomes you seek. By staying focused and consistent, you maintain the flow of energy needed to manifest your desires. Saying yes becomes a way of life, shaping a path where the universe responds to your clarity and commitment. If you found this video helpful, give it a like to let us know. Don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this message. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for being part of this journey.